with some snow and freezing rain likely later tonight and as we head into Thursday. But here's a live look right now. This is in downtown Yakima. Pretty quiet start for you. Visibilities have been ranging between 1 to 3 miles depending on your location this morning. The biggest concern this morning still along the foothills of the Blues. That's where we find some dense freezing fog. Visibilities for you around Walla Walla and Pendleton less than 3/4 of a mile at times. So watch out for some icy spots this morning, and the majority of the area right now looking at most locations in the upper 20s across the area. So we're looking at a mostly cloudy sky right now. Next system just off the coast. This is expected to deliver lots of heavy snowfall to the Cascades. And again, locally, we could see a little bit of some snowfall and freezing rain as well. But if you're traveling through the Cascades, there is a winter storm warning that's expected to start later on this afternoon through early Friday morning. 1 to 3 feet of snow expected. All those mountain passes will be impacted by this. Could make travel very treacherous over the next couple of days and even through the Northern Blues winter weather advisory that is now in place through that same time frame. 5 to 9 inches of snowfall expected there. A little bit closer to home, there is a winter storm watch that's in place for Ellensburg there in blue. 4 to 8 inches of snowfall again starting late this evening through Thursday night, and then a winter storm warning also through the eastern slopes. Anywhere between 10 to as much as 24 inches of snowfall expected even along the eastern slopes. So something we'll watch very carefully. So let's time out our chances for some winter weather and what you can expect over the next couple of days. Again, today is going to be pretty quiet through 5 o'clock this afternoon. Just looking at that mostly cloudy sky. It's not going to be till later tonight. You'll see just after about 10 or 11 o'clock that snow is expected to start to come down around Cleellum, Ellensburg, even Yakima. You'll have the chance to see some snowfall as we head throughout the overnight hours. I think in the Yakima area picking up about 1 to 2 inches of snowfall when all is said and done. Tri-Cities, the Columbia Basin, Walla Walla into Pendleton, we are looking at the chance for some freezing rain. So that could lead to some icy spots as well for that morning commute. Mainly dry right around lunchtime on Thursday, but another batch of some very heavy rainfall. The snow continues to come down through the eastern slopes of the Cascades there. And then this is actually all going to push up to the north by Thursday evening. And as we head throughout Friday, just a few more rain showers in the forecast. But really warming things up on Friday. We are looking at high temperatures on Friday in the low 50s. And those winds are really expected to pick up on Friday as well. So let's get you to today's forecast and what we're expecting out there. Only in the low 30s for Toppenish and Yakima, 34 in the Tri-Cities with 33 in Hanford, those upper 30s for Dayton, Walla Walla, and also for Pendleton. So overnight tonight, snow, freezing rain, all a possibility as temperatures fall into the upper 20s and low 30s. 7-day forecast in the Tri-Cities. Again, a little bit of some freezing rain tomorrow morning, 41, but low 50s there Friday into the upcoming weekend. Just a few rain showers left over for that weekend before going back to some drier conditions next week. And that 7-day forecast as well for Yakima. That wintry mix around for tomorrow at 35, maybe a little bit of some freezing rain early Friday morning at 47.
At 6:47 happening right now, history set to take place in Washington as the House of Representatives will vote this morning on 2 articles of impeachment. Here's how the day will go. The House will begin debating on 2 articles of impeachment. That started at 6 a.m. And then there will be a procedural vote first just to approve the parameters agreed to by the Rules Committee late last night. Then members will have 6 hours to debate on the House floor, split equally between Democrats and Republicans. If you'd like to watch the debate unfolding this morning, we're live streaming right now on our website, yaktrinews.com. For the first time in more than 2 decades, Congress has approved funding for gun violence research. There will be $25 million allocated for it. That's included in a